Boom, 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 boom. Today, I'm going to show you how to take apart and reassemble the V-Cube 5. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up a gap like this and stick your thumb in there and pull out this middle edge piece. And it's really easy for me, but you may need to rotate the top layer a bit, then rotate these two layers down, and it comes out very easily. Then take out this piece, then 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 the corner comes out, just like that. Then you can just turn it. Well, you need to take apart the first two corner sections or something like that. Then you can just turn it until it comes all apart. Now, I recommend sorting out your edges and corners so you have a good glimpse. Oh yeah, you may have this problem. Where the edge piece comes apart, you can easily just fit it back together. But I won't even bother. So, what you want to do is you want to take an edge piece, this piece, and another one. Then take the core, and fit it together where it goes. Just like that. Then find an edge piece that will go here, here, there, or there. Now, take two more of these, fit them on the edge piece, and then fit them right there. Then, take this piece, put it there, take this piece, put it there, and take this piece, put it there. Now, find the corners that goes here. In this case, it is the red, yellow, and green. And here it is. And take it with green facing down. And then sand it down like this. Now we will be reassembling it layer by layer. So take that piece, put it there. take an edge piece, put it there, and take another corner center and put it there. Now find an edge that will go here, then put it right there. Then take this piece, put it there, then take another one and put it there. Now just keep on doing that until you have the last 2 layers to go. Oh, now you do not need to put it back together in the solved position. Right after I make this video, I will make a tutorial on how to solve a 5x5. Now, once you have it right here, take an edge and this piece, fit them together and put them in. Now, take another one and fit it right under there. And fill in the last 2 corner sections. Fill in 2 more corner sections. Well, fill in the corner sections until I say you can be done.